Super Mummy Toys reviewer here. Hello my little chickadee, and today we have Zomlings Series 3 in the town Trenes. Now what we're looking for... Oh, that says one Zomling. And what we're doing is we're hoping to get the gold train, aren't we?
No.
Because we haven't got the gold train, so we're... Hello, my little helper. We're looking for a gold train, okay? So in these Zomlings packs, it comes with one gold train and one Zomling. So shall we open them up and see if we've got a gold train? It is spooky, isn't it? So Mummy will open them because they're sharp scissors.
Can I
Okay, so my little helper will get the first one. Wow, so we have a purple
carrot.
A purple carrot.
Right, let's put them down here. Let's put them behind their spooky.
Wow, so we've got a purple carriage. Okay, so look at this little fellow. So, he looks a bit funny, doesn't he?
We haven't got that one.
We haven't got that one. He's got funny eyes. I don't know what he looks like really. He looks a bit like...
No, I know what he is, a jellyfish.
Is he a jellyfish?
Mummy.
Okay, so he is called...
I found
Melzy. Looks like... Huh? You did find him, thank you. So I think he's called Melzy. So can I have the carriage, please, so that we can put him in? Okay, so next one, my other little helper's going to get out. A yellow carriage.
Mummy, I've got bad news. We've got a duplicate.
Oh, no.
And it's in the same colour.
Can you attach the yellow carriage to that one? Oh, we have a duplicate. He looks like a little sailor boy, doesn't he? So he's from the Wacky Waters, and he's called Braddy. Want to pick another Zomling Ghost Train pack for me, sweetheart? Right, so we're going to open up this one. So who do we have? Is it a gold train?
No.
Not another carriage. We haven't got anything to drive the carriages yet, have we? So,
I can feel in here a train.
don't cheat.
What?
So let's have a look at this Zomling.
I'm not cheating.
This Zomling looks like he's playing a saxophone. He looks like a musician. I like him because I like his little hat.
We haven't got this guy.
And I like the fact that he's got... I know we haven't got him. I like the fact that he's got his sax... Well, he looks like a saxophone anyway. He's from the... no, he's from the Spooky Street collection.
Jazzix. His name's Jazzix.
So we're looking for a gold train. Oh, and we have.
A driver.
I
knew there was a train in there.
Did you? Because you cheated and fell. We have a purple train.
Oh, I've got bad news. There's another train in here, I think.
Stop cheating and put it down for me. So can you connect the train for me to the other carriages?
Okay.
And this is another duplicate that we already have. I like this hunchback man. He's very funny, and he's got a big sort of bulge, big lump on his back. He's from the Haunted Hotel collection. He's called Dammy. So we've got what colour carriages have we got?
We've got a purple train, a purple carriage, an orange, purple, yellow. Look, we've got two purple things. Mummy.
My little helper.
Train.
So we've got another train. So that's good, because what we can do, my little helper, is we can take one or two of the carriages off and put it on the other choo-choo train. So you do that, and whilst we look at the Zomling, he's a funny fella. He looks a bit like an octopus. He's very, very funny.
I wish we got another carriage.
Do you? But very, very sweet. So he's called Skifo. So Skifo, I want to ride on the train. Okay, Skifo, calm down. My little helper, he's getting very, very upset because he wants to go on the train.
Choo-choo it over here.
Can you choo-choo it over, please? So, my little chickadees, let me know what you thought of this Zomlings video. And what was your favourite Zomling so far? It could be one that we've done from today, or it could be one of the other Zomlings from my other Zomling videos. And don't forget, if you do like this video, my little chickadees, to like and subscribe. Bye.